Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Customer Amaze. Here we show you an amazing products to our viewers. Citrus spray. This citrus spray tool will be a great addition to your kitchen tools and will come in handy for everyday cooking. Now you can spray the juices from citrus fruits like lemons and oranges quickly and easily. Just cut the top of the fruit and screw the gadget onto the fruit and you are ready to spray the juice. You can use it to spray citrus juice on soft drinks and cocktails or to season your salads, meats, seafood and other recipes. If you would like to purchase this citrus spray, the link is given in the below description. Cup Bottle Cleaning Brush. This is an amazing cleaning brush for cups and bottles. There is a suction cap at the end of this brush and the suction base is pushed firmly to the bottom of the sink. This cleaning brush works well for all kinds of cups such as baby bottles, sports bottles, beer bottles, wine glasses, long cups and vacuum cups. This is perfect cleaning tool for busy bars and the kitchens. Once you are done with cleaning cups, this brush can be removed and cleaned easily. If you would like to purchase this cup bottle cleaning brush, the link is given in the below description. Collapsible cup. This cup which you are watching is pretty amazing. This is extremely lightweight and can be collapsed and stored easily in a bag. When collapsed, it fits well in your pocket, purse, backpack, suitcase and takes up no space. Ideal for outdoor hiking, camping, travel and sport events. This cup will come in handy for all your occasions. If you would like to purchase this collapsible cup, the link is given in the below description. Rechargeable USB Juicer Bottle Blender. This is USB rechargeable portable blender. By using this gadget you can make natural tasty juice. First, cut fruits into small pieces and add enough water or milk and press the power button. The juice will be ready within minutes. As it comes with a rechargeable battery, it can easily charge by a power bank, laptop, computer, mobile phones or other. It's very portable and great for traveling and outdoor. If you would like to purchase this rechargeable USB juicer bottle blender, the link is given in the below description. Silicone scrubbing gloves. These perfect scrubbing gloves can be used everywhere when you do cleaning. It can be used for washing dishes, fruit and vegetable cleaning, household cleaning, washing the car and oven cooking and so on. This can be used to protect your hand from chemical products. If you would like to purchase the silicone scrubbing gloves, the link is given in the below description. Garlic pressure. Garlic is the most important ingredient for Indian cooking and it is very difficult to peel and press the garlic for garlic juice. And this garlic pressure makes your job very easy. Insert fresh garlic cloves either peeled or unpeeled in the squeezer. Press the handle and fresh garlic juice is filtered out. Garlic pressure is easy to use, easy to clean and easy to store. It is a lightweight must-have requirement in your kitchen to avoid the smelly hands of garlic clove. If you would like to purchase this garlic pressure, the link is given in the below description. Fruit basket. By using this vegetable fruit basket, you can easily wash vegetables, pasta, noodles, fruits and strain the excess water from the drainer bowl while retaining the solids within. Small holes quickly drain water without any grains getting caught in them or escaping. Washing and straining had never been so easy with this product. If you would like to purchase this vegetable fruit basket, the link is given in the below description. Muskmelon slicer. This slicer is round in shape and has a handle on its both sides. With help of this slicer you can cut easily through fruits like apple, muskmelon and so on within seconds. Simply cut the edges of the fruits and place the slicer on top of the fruit and push the slicer towards the fruits. If you would like to purchase this muskmelon slicer, the link is given in the below description. Egg boiler. Cooking eggs exactly the way you like them has never been simpler. With this user-friendly egg boiler, you can prepare up to 7 eggs, from soft cooked to hard boiled, all within the same batch. Cook 7 eggs at once with this automatic egg boiler. You can consistently prepare eggs the way you like without fat or oil. This egg boiler cooks using steam created by a heated water reservoir. If you would like to purchase this egg boiler, the link is given in the below description. Handy juicer. This is a non-electric hand juicer. With this, extracting juice from fruits and vegetables is an easy task. Since it does not require electricity for operation, you can carry this juicer wherever you go. If you would like to purchase this handy juicer, the link is given in the below description. Onion holder. This onion holder is pretty amazing tool for your kitchen. You can chop onion, potato or any other vegetable or fruit into equal pieces. The simple yet intelligent design of this holder allows user to cut with precision. For beginners, it is perfect to protect the hand from being cut or scraped. If you would like to purchase this onion holder, the link is given in the below description. Handy mini chopper. If you are looking for a quick and easy solution to chop up your vegetables and fruits like onions, tomatoes, carrots, cabbage, chilies and even cauliflower, then this chopper is a perfect and affordable solution for all your chopping needs. This is really an amazing mini chopper. It chops and cuts vegetable in a hassle-free manner with minimal effort. If you would like to purchase this handy mini chopper, the link is given in the below description. Poplight popcorn maker. If you are popcorn lover, then this gadget is for you. Its one key operation makes it very easy to operate. Just add kernels into the popping chamber and switch it on. The popcorn falls directly into the bowl when fully prepared. When the popcorn is working, the temperature of interior surface will be very high. Please avoid touching the heated surface. If you continue to make popcorn 2 times, wait for 10 to 12 minutes before using the popcorn maker again. If you would like to purchase this Poplight popcorn maker, the link is given in the below description. Roti maker. This roti maker is very easy to use, lightweight and portable. It can also come in handy during family functions and festivals when you need to cook for a larger gathering. Make the dough absolutely moist and soft, adding little extra water, a little oil and some salt. All you have to do is to flatten the dough ball, put dry atta, place the dough ball gently inside, close the upper plate and press down the lever and lift it back. Wait for some time until the roti gets heated and flip it after few seconds. The perfectly round and puffed up roti is ready. If you would like to purchase this roti maker, the link is given in the below description.